create a circle in the middle of your screen like so, and then make another one and make it from the middle of that one so it aligns to the outside of the first one, and choose the align tool so it aligns to the center. Make a duplicate and move it to the left like that. Highlight both of them, make a copy and rotate it like so. Highlight everything and use the shape builder tool to cut out everything apart from the shapes shown above. Give it a gradient, make a copy and rotate it 45 degrees. Then highlight everything again, make another copy and rotate that until you get the flower effect like so. Highlight everything, change the screen mode to darken, and then resize, and there you have your flower effect. Like and follow for more.